Today, we are going to be learning about multiplying and dividing decimals. So what we already know is that a fraction that has a denominator of base 10 can be written as a terminating decimal, meaning that it is just one number, like 5/10 equals 0.5. But how can we multiply these numbers? First, count the number of spaces to the right of the decimal. Let's use an example, 3.4 and 0.2. The total decimal spaces to the right is 2. Next, multiply normally without using the decimals. We will end up getting a total of 72. You can tell where to put the decimal place in the answer by counting the number of places to the right of the decimal in each number. 3.6 has one spot after the decimal. 0.2 also has one spot after the decimal, so the total number of spots that will be to the right of the decimal is 2. So with our answer 72, we put the decimal 2 spots before the numbers to get our answer of 0.72. Let's try another problem. This time, we'll be multiplying 7.5 times 3.4. Step 1 is to remove the decimals. We end up getting an answer of 225. Step 2 is to add the numbers that come after the decimal points. Remember, this number will determine how many spots you move the decimal to the right in the answer, so we end up getting a final answer of 22.5. Now we're going to look at how we divide decimals. First, if the divisor, which is the one doing the dividing, is not a whole number, move the decimal over until it is. You must do the same with the dividend, which is the one being divided. So 60.9 becomes 169, and 6.5 becomes 65. Next, you're going to divide how you usually divide. Since we have to add a 0 onto the 169, we place the decimal after the 9 and before the 0. So 16.9 divided by 6.5 equals 2.6. Let's try one more problem. We are going to be dividing 24.6 by 6, or 6.0. So step 1 is to make sure the divisor is a whole number by moving the decimal over one place. So 24.6 becomes 246, and 6.0 becomes 60. Next, we're just going to divide normally. Make sure to add a 0 after the dividend so you know that's where you put the decimal. We're going to end up getting an answer of 4.1. Are you looking for some more practice? Click on the 3 links below for some awesome games and websites that can be used to help with your multiplication and division of decimals. For parents, here are a couple links that are going to help you understand what your child is learning about multiplying and dividing decimals. Congratulations! You now know how to multiply and divide decimals. See you next time!
Created using Powtoon.